Hello everyone, this is the cold start video for the ZHP Wagon build that is going to be featured online soon. First off, let's show you the VIN number. There you go. Now we're going to go around and show that the engine is completely cold. First I will take my thermometer and show you the floor temperature, 81. It's been in the shop for a while. Outside is even hotter, but inside it's 81. And now the engine, 82. Basically room temperature. There's the coolant cap, the condenser and radiator, all the same temperature. All right, let's go start the car. Nice cold start, nice cold idle. You'll see the RPMs are high until the secondary air system does its job after a few seconds. Starts right up, runs great.